I'll be explaining the trade in my next video, like what happened after I implemented this strategy. So friends, in this video we are going to see the expiry day Nifty option selling strategy for 20th of January 22. So along with this, the Nifty straddle the expiry day Nifty option selling strategy by using the straddle here. So what happened, that is the today, and here we can see that the FIIs, they are long by 60% today. And if you compare this data to yesterday, at 6:45 a.m. we are able to see the loan prime rate 1 year for the Chinese put side. So right from So friends, in this video we are going to see the expiry day Nifty option selling strategy for 20th of January 22. So along with this, the Nifty option selling strategy, I'll also discuss about the trend for tomorrow, the Nifty prediction for the 20th of January 2022. So right now we are on the daily time frame. So in my earlier videos I have already shown that exactly in this level where the Nifty is trading at the 18,209 and the 18,076. So this zone is actually this is a supply zone, and now we can see that there is more selling happening exactly at this place, because Nifty made high of almost from 16,402 to almost 18,318. But this particular zone, as I initially told, that this is an supply zone where there will be more number of possibility of more number of sell orders available at this place, and Nifty could not breach above this line. So we did not see fresh buyers from this place. When I say the fresh buyers, it is with the institutions who will place the big volumes here. So this particular place, more number of sellers are still active in this zone, that is with 18,090 levels and 18,224 levels, and this is a daily time frame. So here we can see that this is the second day that Nifty is in the trading in the bearish zone, and today we saw that Nifty has made a low of 17,888. So now we will switch to the weekly time frame just to analyze what is the weekly. So even in the weekly time frame here, if we observe the green candle, what you are able to see, this is the last week candle and the present week candle. So the prices are moving in the sideways, and there is no still we are not able to see a confirmation with the bullish breakout or the bearish continuation in the Nifty future. So this is for the weekly time frame. So let us have a quickly glance about the economic calendar for tomorrow, that is 20th of January 2022. So the high impact events, the economic calendar events that is happening tomorrow will be at balance of trade for Japan. This is happening at 5:20 a.m. The time is very much before our Indian stock market opens. So next one is at the 6 a.m. unemployment rate for the December month. So this is also happening at 6 a.m. and at 6:45 a.m. we are able to see the loan prime rate 1 year for the Chinese data. So one at the 8:30 p.m. tomorrow, that is night 8:30 p.m. So existing home sales for December month. So tomorrow we have almost four important or high impact events which would reflect the sentiments in our Indian stock market. So first three, as I told you, the first three is already getting over by before the market opens, that before the 9:15 a.m. So the followed one is at 8:30 p.m. tomorrow, so which is the existing home sales data. So now we will just try to analyze the Nifty 50 stocks, which stocks did best and which stocks were doing the worst today. So on the first three stocks which went down today was the Infosys, Shree Cements, Asian Paints, and the Adani Ports. And the three stocks which did good here for today, that is the 19th of January, was ONGC, Tata Motors and UPL. So friends, right now we are on the open interest data. So here we can see that there is a short covering happening on the put side. So right from 18,200 put to almost the 17,950 put, and most of the strikes, the people who have shorted or holding the short position have switched to the 17,900 put, and followed with the 17,900 and 17,800 with the rest of puts. And as you all know, tomorrow is the weekly expiry for the January 20th. So here we can see that the short covering is happening on the put side, which is the possibility is that market will go further down tomorrow. So right now we are on the open interest analysis for the 19th of January 2022, that is the today, and here we can see that the FIIs, they are long by 60% today, and if you compare this data to yesterday they were long by 64% in the index future, and today they are long only by 60%, so down by almost 4%. So this is an indication to the retail traders that they are bearish in the bank nifty and nifty, and the proprietors, they are long in the index future by 46%. And if we compare the data with the yesterday, that is the 18th of January 2022, they were long by 53%. So this is almost 7%. They have reduced their position in the index futures, and the combined together FIA plus proprietors, here we can see that the combined data for the FIA and proprietors is 56%, and the yesterday it was 61%. Now coming to the index call option long position, the FIIs, they are holding 58% long position, and yesterday they were long by 56%. So in fact they have increased by 2%, and the proprietors, they were long by 43% yesterday, and today they have reduced almost by 4%, which is 39%. The combined data is 45%. When compared to the yesterday, it was 47%. So once again we see the 2% reduction in the index call option long position. And in the index put option long, yesterday the FIAs were long by 62%, but today they have increased to 65%, and the proprietors, yesterday they were long by 51%, but today they have reduced to 48%, and combined data is 55%. So the overall data indicating is the bearish trend may continue even for the tomorrow, that is 20th of January 2020. So now the expiry day option strategy. Tomorrow for the expiry day option strategy, I would suggest implementing the iron condor strategy. So to implement this strategy, all that you have to do is sell one lot of 17,850 put, and buy 17,800 put at 12.9 rupees, and once again sell 18,100 call put at 12 rupees 25 paise, and buy 18,150 call at 6 rupees 65 paise. So here the max profit is 685 rupees, and the probability of loss is around 1,815 rupees. So here the loss, whatever you are able to see, this can be managed with the adjustments. Once if Nifty is crossing the break-even level of 17,837, then we can definitely do the adjustments, and also reduce the possibility of loss and increase the possibility of profit in this trade in the iron condor strategy. So this is for the one lot trade. You can also increase the lots by 2 or 3 lots. So suppose if you are a fresher, then I will suggest that you can go with the one lot to implement the iron condor strategy for the 20th of January 2020. Now I will show you how to build the custom strategy for tomorrow. Right now the spot price for the Nifty is 17,938. So now first I will implement the straddle 17,950 call. One lot I will sell at 54.3, and one lot I will sell at 17,950 call. I'll sell one lot here. So this the premium is right now at 61.95, but tomorrow once the market opens, the premium would definitely be varying based on the volatility and the Nifty movements. So here you can see that I have implemented the basic straddle for the expiry day in the Nifty options. So here the probability of profit is 45.93%, and the max profit that we can expect is around 5,762 rupees. So here the ratio is not provided here because the profit is well defined. If the Nifty is not making, if Nifty is not crossing below 17,834 or 18,066, if Nifty is trading in this range, then we'll be making profit. And once if Nifty is crossing with the break-even levels, then definitely we can do the adjustments. But I'm just reminding you, this is not for the basic. Suppose if you are new to the option selling strategy, then definitely this is not for you, because there will be an unlimited risk in this strategy, and you should be well talented to take care of your losses once the Nifty is crossing below 17,834 or 18,066. So this is a basic straddle strategy, and this would require a capital of around 1,30,838. So even the estimated margin or premium would vary based on your stockbroker. So this is an approximate amount here. So tomorrow once I take the trade, I will be showing the I'll be explaining the trade in my next video, like what happened after I implemented the straddle, the expiry day Nifty option selling strategy by using the straddle here. So what happened for tomorrow, that is the 20th of January 2022. I'll come up with a video and I will explain what exactly I did for the adjustments and how I came out, or I made a profit, or whether I made a loss on tomorrow. So friends, you can leave your comments or questions, and also don't forget to hit a like button, like this video and share this video with your trading.